Hello everyone, this is Agnieszka by Empire Realty Group. Today I would like to take you on a tour of my beautiful listing in Sweden, New York. Welcome to 4472 County Line Road. This beautiful farmhouse has been completely renovated and is ready for a new owner. It is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 baths property, just about 2,200 square feet. It's currently listed on the market for $379,900. School district is Brockport. The property sits on 5-acre lot, as you can see, it's quite sizable. There is a barn and this old tin roof silo. Plenty of mature trees on either side of the property. We are just about 7 minutes from Wegmans in Brockport, TJ Maxx, the plaza, as well as the Brockport College. Would you like to take a look inside? Follow me, please. We currently are on the front porch of the property. We've got 2 entry doors here. The one on my right takes you into the main living area, while the one on the left takes you into the foyer. Follow me. So here we are in the foyer, or a mudroom, whichever word would you prefer to use. It's a pretty practical space, especially in upstate New York this time of year and throughout the winter. It features this beautiful custom built bench where you can sit down, take your shoes off, put your purse on, take your coat off, hang it up. There is additional storage space right here. You can also access the main floor powder room, which features this beautiful exposed brick wall, a very unique touch. Make sure to check out these beautiful herringbone tile floors, and also look into the laundry room, which features built-in cabinetry and a sink. I think it's time to check out the primary suite. Follow me. Welcome to the primary bedroom suite, located on the first floor. Pretty large size, I would say. This is a queen size bed, and we've got plenty of room for a reading nook, a small couch, or whatever you'd like to fit in here. Right there is the primary bedroom closet, which is a walk-in with a window and built-in shelving. Before we go into the primary bathroom, let me show you the sliding glass doors to your private bath. What a view to be waking up to every day. So here we are in the ensuite bath. Look at all the beautiful finishes used here. We've got double sinks, beautiful custom-made vanity cabinet. We have this gorgeous freestanding tub with this awesome faucet coming out from the floor. Amazing oversized shower with wall jets and a 16-inch shower head. And look at this cute shelving unit here that has been built in. Adds a little bit of vintage to the space. I really like it. All right, let's go to the main living area now. So, welcome to the main main living area, featuring, of course, the kitchen, dining room, and living room space. Let's focus on the kitchen for a few seconds. Look at these beautiful bright white shaker style all wood cabinets. The bottom cabinets have slide out drawers. Here you go. Look at this beautiful farmhouse hardware. Honed granite countertops. Brand new top of the line stainless steel appliances and a microwave. That's pretty unusual. I'll show you right now. It's all built in, so no more clutter on the countertop. And of course, let's not forget this awesome wet bar here. Right now it's utilized mainly as a coffee bar, but you can make it a beverage station. It's got a built-in cooler and these gorgeous seated glass upper cabinets and a sink. The other thing I wanted to point out to you is this oak bar island that obviously has been custom built, and it just adds a touch of elegance to this space. Make sure you check out these beautiful 5-inch oak floors, and let's not forget the windows. Look at all the natural light that gets into this space, and all the trims around the doors and windows were custom made. What an outstanding space. Well, I think it's time to go upstairs, so just follow me, please. So here we are at the landing at the second story here. The space currently is staged as an office space. Could be a reading nook or a TV nook. We've got 2 bedrooms right in front of me and a full bathroom here. Let me show you one of the bedrooms. They're both the same. So let's go. So here we are in one of the 2 pretty similar bedrooms on the second story. As you can see, it's pretty nice, large space. Everything has been renovated. Walls, wiring, this beautiful floor continues onto the second story. We have quite large walk-in closet with some built-ins and a light. I also wanted to point out to you these heaters that are upstairs. They run on electric and they are operated by a separate thermostat. So each room has a separate thermostat. Let's go to the bathroom now. So this is the second bathroom in the house. It's located on the second floor. As you can tell, it has been completely renovated. It's got a beautiful shower, this gorgeous octagon tile floor, and this beautiful navy blue all wood vanity with gold details. I also wanted to point out to you that the overhead fan has a built-in Bluetooth as well. Well, I think that concludes our tour of the inside. Let me show you the backyard and the barn. So I just came through the primary bedroom suite to this brand new stamped concrete patio. Look at the pattern. It's made to look like wood. It's freshly stained for your convenience. So you have a better view of the barn here. As you can see, it's got a metal roof on, and it has just been sided with wood board and button siding. It features 2 horse stalls, so if you plan on having horses, you're all set. Right behind the barn, there's plenty of room for a riding ring. And just to give you an idea of what 5 acres is, so basically the lot line runs from the driveway there behind the silo to the row of trees there, a little bit in the tree line there. So that's a pretty sizable lot. Of course, it goes deeper behind the barn as well. Look at the park-like setting. Isn't it gorgeous? That's one of the most beautiful seasons in upstate New York, where you can see all the leaves changing colors. Obviously, we are at the end of it right now, but it's still very pretty. So that pretty much concludes our tour of this beautiful property. If you have any questions, you can either call me at 585-519-2139, or you can simply comment below and I will respond. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Bye.